Amazon exclusive price and specs of the OnePlus 7 Pro. OnePlus has been known for bringing premium features at an affordable price that other expensive flagships offer. Well, it certainly appears to change now, at least to some extent. Tipster Ishant Agrawal has leaked the upcoming OnePlus 7 Pro's pricing on Twitter, suggesting the new Indian pricing. According to his tweet, the OnePlus 7 Pro will be starting at 50,000 rupees for the base variant, which is said to be having 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. Further, the 8GB plus 256GB variant of the OnePlus 7 Pro is said to be available for 53,000 rupees, and the high-end larger variant, with a whopping 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, is said to be priced at 58,000 rupees. Bear in mind, these are leaked prices. Nonetheless, the official pricing may vary. If the leaked pricing is believed to be true, then these prices are indeed higher than what the usual OnePlus fans anticipate. OnePlus might try to justify this pricing by offering high-end premium features like 2K display with refresh rates of up to 90 Hz, alongside triple rear cameras, which is the first from OnePlus. Further, earlier reports suggested a buttery smooth display, pop-up selfie camera, and triple rear cameras are said to be having 3x zoom capabilities. And other noticeable changes such as stereo speakers, water resistance but not IP rated, and the conventional fast charge, which has been introduced in the recent OnePlus 6T McLaren edition as well. As for the specifications of the OnePlus 7 Pro is concerned, the device is said to be featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, and the Snapdragon's latest 855 SoC will be under the hood. The triple rear cameras are said to be featuring a 48 megapixels primary sensor, alongside the telephoto and ultra-wide sensors. For authentication, the OnePlus 7 would be featuring a new in-display fingerprint sensor as well. The battery capacity on the new OnePlus 7 Pro is still speculative. If the rumors are believed to be true, then it might be of a decent 4,000 mAh capacity. The regular OnePlus 7 will also be sharing identical specifications, apart from the buttery smooth display and the pop-up front-facing camera. The leak surfaced only confirms the pricing of the OnePlus 7 Pro variant, and there's the regular OnePlus 7 device, whose pricing is still unknown. And lastly, recent press renders have showcased OnePlus 7 Pro to be featuring in nebula blue and mirror gray color variants. So that's it for this video. Let me know what's your opinion about the pricing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.